Thank you for coming in. I just have a few questions. How old are you? Do you have any kids? Tell me where you lived when you were growing up. All right, thank you very much. We'll take your resume under advisement. In a job interview, you want to answer all the questions right so that you will get hired. But what if you're asked a question that is designed to discriminate against you? This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, with some guidance on handling illegal job interview questions. Federal law protects you against discrimination based on race, religion, age, national origin, sexual preference, disability, and family status. But job candidates still get asked illegal questions. Take the case of the janitor who applied to be a supervisor in St. Louis. It came out in the job interview that he was 58 years old, and he was told he was too old for the position. He filed a discrimination case and recovered $70,000 in damages. Don't let discrimination happen to you. Here are 3 approaches you can use when you hear an illegal question. Of course, don't refuse to answer and say, "That's an illegal question." That way you'll never get the job. An approach that you might say is, "That's an interesting question. I've never been asked that in a job interview. Can you tell me why you ask?" Another approach is to tell the interviewer, "I'm happy to answer that question, but can you help me understand how that relates to the job?" And a third approach is to answer the real question behind the question. For instance, if you're asked, "Do you have any kids?" you can answer by saying, "There's nothing in my family life that will get in the way of doing the job." Ultimately, you have to decide if you want to work at a company that discriminates. If it happens to you, I advise you to consult a local employment attorney and discuss filing a discrimination charge. This is Larry Bodine, reporting from Lawyers.com.